Hello students, yesterday we had completed the chapter of NCERT. All exercises we have completed. Now we are coming for some extra questions which are important for the purpose of board examination. Just I have taken the first question, very simple one. It is logical question. I have written the question. I am reading it. See, can x minus 1 be the remainder on division of a polynomial px? Some polynomial is px by 2x plus 3. Justify your answer. Means 2x plus 3 is divisor and x minus 1 is remainder. Is it possible? How to justify? I have told you in case of division, division is continued unless the degree of remainder is less than degree of divisor. See, this is divisor 2x plus 3 and remainder is x minus 1. Degree of both remainder and divisor is same. So, it is not possible that degree of divisor is 1 and degree of remainder is 1. So, simply you have to write the answer in one line. Answer is no. Because degree of divisor is same as degree of remainder. Means degree of remainder must be less than that of degree of divisor. Here degree of remainder and divisor both are same, so it is not possible. Okay, it is your answer. Now we are coming for the second question. It is important question. This kind of question has been asked in board examination, so you should understand it properly. Given that alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial x square plus 4x minus 5, find the value of alpha square plus beta square. Second, alpha 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. Third, alpha upon beta plus beta upon alpha. So, since it is quadratic polynomial, so two zeros are alpha and beta. According to the rule, we can write solution. Since alpha and beta are zeros, therefore alpha plus beta, that is sum of zeros, is equal to minus b upon a. Minus b is coefficient of x. So coefficient of x is 4. Minus 4 upon 1, that is minus 4. Alpha into beta, that is product of zeros. This is c upon a and c is minus 5. So we have minus 5 upon 1 is minus 5. Now we have to find the value of first one. We have alpha square plus beta square. See, we have alpha plus beta, sum of zeros. Here we have sum of square of zeros. So we have to convert this alpha square into plus beta square in some extent such that we can get the value of alpha plus beta. So you can change this formula as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. See, you can check it. Alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta for this and minus 2 alpha beta, that will be cancelled. So alpha square plus beta square, it is converted formula. Now we have alpha plus beta is minus 4, alpha into beta is minus 5. Simply put the value. We have minus 4 square minus 2 into minus 5. This is 16 plus 10 is equal to 26. This is answer first. Similarly, I am taking the second part. See, second part is 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. We have 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. Take the LCM of this. We have alpha into beta. Alpha and alpha will go. We have beta plus beta and beta will go. We have alpha. That means beta plus alpha or alpha plus beta, same thing. I can write alpha plus beta upon alpha into beta. Now we have got the value of alpha plus beta minus 4. Alpha into beta is minus 5. So minus 4 upon minus 5. So answer is 4 upon 5. This is answer second. Now third one is, we have alpha upon beta, third part, plus beta upon alpha. Take the LCM again. What we have? Alpha beta is the LCM. Beta and beta will go. We have alpha square plus alpha and alpha will go. We have beta square. Once again, as first part was the alpha square plus beta square, we have alpha square plus beta square. We can write the value of alpha square plus beta square in perfect square term. So this is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta upon alpha into beta. Since you have got the value of alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta, this much, so you can write this value directly or you can put individual value. Let's see, this is minus 4 square minus 2 times of minus 5 upon minus 5. This is 16 plus 10 upon minus 5. Answer is minus 26 upon 5. This is answer third. So this is very simple question to attempt. Some more things can be asked to find, like alpha square minus beta square, alpha cube plus beta cube, alpha square upon beta plus. So every part can be solved in the same way. First you have to find the value of alpha plus beta and then alpha into beta and convert the formula in your convenience as alpha plus beta and alpha into beta and put the values, you can get it. Alright. Now here is the third question, students. Question is, find the values of a and b so that polynomial phi x to the power 4 plus x cube plus 8x square minus ax plus b is exactly divisible by x square minus 1. Exactly divisible by x square minus 1 means, if you divide this polynomial by x square minus 1, remainder must be 0. Means you can say x square minus 1 is the factor of given polynomial. X square minus 1 is factor of given polynomial. So how to write? Let's see. Solution. Since given polynomial is exactly divisible by x square minus 1, therefore x square minus 1 is factor of given polynomial, and x plus 1 into x minus 1. This x square minus 1 can be broken. X plus 1 and x minus 1 is also factor of polynomial, and remainder is equal to 0 in each case. Each case means if you divide the polynomial by x plus 1, remainder is 0. If you divide the polynomial by x minus 1, remainder is 0. So one by one we will find the remainder as you have found in class 9 by remainder theorem. So since x plus 1 is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1 minus 1 and x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1. So we are going to find P1 or P minus 1. P minus 1 is equal to what? 0. Means when you put the value of x is equal to minus 1, remainder will be 0. I am writing this. See, minus 1 to the power 4 plus minus 1 cube plus 8 into minus 1 square minus a into minus 1 plus b. Let's see. And is equal to 0. What we have? A to the power 4, power is even, so it is positive. 1 to the power 3 minus 1 to the power 3, it is odd power, so minus 1 square is plus 1 plus 8 into 1 minus into minus plus a and plus b is equal to 0. So what we have? A plus b is equal to, set this, minus 1 plus 1 gone. This plus 8 will go into right. So what we have? A plus b is equal to minus 8. Let us see question number 1. Similarly, let's find P1. P1 means we are putting x is equal to 1. P1 is also 0. Write the value. We have 1 to the power 4 plus 1 to the power 3 plus 8 into 1 square minus a into 1 plus b is equal to 0. This is 1 to the power 4 is 1 plus 8 minus a plus b is equal to 0. So what we have? Set this number 8 plus 1 10 will go into right. We have minus a plus b is equal to minus 10. Equation number 2. Now we have to solve the two equations by substitution method, means substituting the value of a into this or b into this, or simply you can add the two equations. Plus a and minus a will cancel. So we can write like this. See, adding 1 and 2. So what we have? Minus a and plus a will be cancelled. Plus b and plus b. We have 2b is equal to minus 8 and minus 10 minus 18. So b is equal to 2 9s 18 minus 9. Now substitute the value of b in equation number 1 or in equation number 2. We can get the value. So from equation number 1, we have a plus b is equal to minus 8. Write the value of b. A minus 9 is equal to minus 8. Send this side. A is equal to minus 8 plus 9. A is equal to 1. And b is equal to minus 9. This is your required answer. So very simple. Factor was given. Applying the remainder theorem, you can get two equations and find the value of a and b. Got it? Okay. Here is another question, students. Question is on dividing this polynomial px 9x to the power 4 minus 4x square plus 4 by another polynomial 3x square plus x minus 1. The remainder is ax minus b. Then we'll find the value of a and b. Simply, this is given remainder, and one will be calculated remainder when you will divide this polynomial by gx. So let's see. Finally, we will compare the two remainders and we can get the values of a and b. So here, simply solution. See, 9x to the power 4 minus 4x square plus 4 is dividend. Gx is 3x square plus x minus 1. Let's divide. This is 3x square. Its coefficient is 9. This coefficient is 3. 3 3 is 9 and x square. So we have 3x square times 3x square into 3x square we have 9x to the power 4, 3x square into x. We have 3x cube and x cube is not in the list, so we can write here alone 3x cube and 3x square into minus 1 minus 3x square with like term, and subtract minus minus and plus. This will go. This minus 3x cube is alone, plus 3x square minus 4x square means minus x square, and plus 4 is left. Now this minus 3x cube to be divided, so coefficient is same 3 and 3, minus sign and x cube. So minus x times we divide this, minus x into 3x square, we have minus 3x cube minus x into plus x minus x square minus x into minus 1 minus plus x. So you can write plus x alone. So we have plus, plus and minus. This will go and this will go both. What is left? Minus x plus 4. Now degree of divisor is less, remainder is less than degree of divisor. So we cannot proceed further. So this is remainder, r is equal to, and given remainder is ax minus b. So we will compare the two remainders. See, ax minus b is equal to minus x plus 4. Now compare the coefficients. Coefficients of x on both sides, the term without x on both sides. So we write comparing both sides. Comparing both sides. So we have a is equal to, what is this? Minus 1. 1 is not written, so it is considered as minus 1. So a is equal to minus 1 and minus b is equal to 4, or b is equal to minus 4. So these are your required answer. Okay, very simple question it was. Here is another question, students. What should be added to this polynomial so that the resulting polynomial is exactly divisible by 4x square plus 3x minus 2? Exactly divisible means remainder will be 0. So this kind of question I have told already in the exercise. Let's see. We will divide the polynomial as given. Let's divide. We have 8x to the power 4 plus 14x cube minus 2x square plus 7x minus 8 by 4x square plus 3x minus 2. Let's divide. Coefficient is 8 here in dividend, and divisor coefficient is 4, means 2 times 4 to the 8. It is x to the power 4. Here we have x square, means x square times. Let's see. 2x square into 4x square, we have 8x to the power 4. 2x square into plus 3x, what we have 2 3s are 6x cube plus 6x cube with like term. 2x square minus 2 means minus 4x square. Minus 4x square. Subtract minus, minus and plus. This will go. 14x cube minus 6x cube, 8x cube. Minus 2x square plus 4x square plus 2x square plus 7x minus 8 left. Now we have 8x cube, the first term in dividend. 4 2s are 8. So plus 2 times. Here we have x cube and x square. X times. So 2x into 4x square is 8x cube. 2x into plus 3x plus 6x square. And 2x into minus 2 minus 4x. Again subtract this. Minus, minus and plus. this will go 2x square minus 6x square. We have minus 4x square plus 4x plus 7x plus 11x and minus 8 is left. We have minus 4x square. Here we have 4x square minus time, that is minus 1 time. So we have minus 4x square minus 3x and plus 2. Subtract again, plus and minus. This will go 11x plus 3x 14x and minus 10. Now degree of remainder is 1, degree of divisor is 2. It means we cannot divide further. This is remainder. Now what must be added to this? What must be added to this? So I told whenever you have this kind of question to add, to subtract the remainder from 0. So you will write like this. I am writing this side. Number to be added is 0 minus remainder. 0 minus remainder means 0 minus, we have 14x minus 10. Change the sign by opening the bracket. We have minus 14x plus 10 is your answer. How it is for minus 14x plus 10? If you add minus 14x plus 10, minus 14x plus 14x, 0 plus 10 minus 10, 0 means remainder becomes 0. In that case, it is exactly divisible. So it is your answer. Whenever you are given what should be added, so whatever remainder comes out, you have to subtract that remainder from 0. And in the case what should be subtracted, so answer is exactly whatever remainder comes out to be, that is the exactly answer for your question. Another question, it is very important question. This was given in the sample paper of board CBSE sample paper. Question is, the remainder on division of x cube plus 2x square plus kx plus 3 by x minus 3 is 21. Means when we divide this polynomial x cube plus 2x square plus kx plus 3 by x minus 3, remainder is 21. So it means if remainder is 21, means this polynomial is exceeding this number. Exceeding this number. So if this 21 is not there in this polynomial, it could be divided by x minus 3 exactly. So first thing, write here like polynomial x cube plus 2x square plus kx plus 3 and write divisor is x minus 3 and remainder is 21. If we subtract remainder from the polynomial, if we subtract that remainder from the polynomial, it can be divisible by x minus 3. So I am writing, if 21 is subtracted from polynomial, it can be divisible by x minus 3. So let's subtract. We have x cube plus 2x square plus kx plus 3 minus 21. This gives you x cube plus 2x square plus kx minus 18. This is the polynomial and x minus 3 is divisor which can divide this exactly. So if it divides exactly, the remainder is 0. And you can write this, x minus 3 is factor. Therefore, r is equal to 0. Let's see. x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x is equal to 3. By putting the value of x is equal to 3 in this polynomial and equating with 0 remainder, we can get the value of k. So let's see, 3 cube plus 2 into 3 square plus k into 3 minus 18 is equal to 0. Let's see, this is 27 plus 3 square means 9 2s are 18 plus 3k minus 18 is equal to 0. Minus 18 plus 18 will go. So we have 3k is equal to minus 27. So k is equal to 3 9 is 27 minus 9. This is your one of the answers. Now we have to find the quotient. It can be solved easily. Now you have to do this yourself. What to do? We have got the value of k minus 9. So you will put the value of k in the given polynomial. Here in this one, x cube plus 2x square minus 9x in place of k plus 3, or you can put the value here or divide this by x minus 3, and you know how to divide the polynomial. So this can be done by yourself. Okay, now this is the last topic, last lecture from this chapter, polynomial. Now you have to practice all kinds of questions from your side book or from your side. If any problem, you may contact me. Next day we shall start the new topic, pair of linear equation. Okay, thank you very much.